this is kind of just keeping the coils on the inside of your AC unit clean. And you just want a light running water. On this unit, the coils point down and they suck up dirt. As you can see here, all this dust, all that dirt gets on the coils and kind of clog everything up. And what you want to do is just help the unit out a little. Now don't spray hard, but you just want to get the dirt off the coils. And so the unit won't have a hard time cooling. See all this dirt coming out of here? And this comes from cutting grass to just regular dust floating. See how that's coming up. This is just to help the unit. You still need to call the technician to come and check everything to make sure that all the coolant levels are fine. What this is doing is just keeping the vents clean till the technician comes. But it will help. It does help. And to do that now, make sure that the unit is turned off and the power is off. See, I have the power up. The power is off. And the unit is off on the inside. And those are the coils on the inside that I'm cleaning. And that's what you do to kind of keep efficiency on the unit. This side doesn't have the coils like the other side. But that's what you do on these units to help them kind of stay cool, especially on these hot summer days.